Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a Google account and a payment method. Now start the flow. Open the YouTube app or go to YouTube on desktop, then tap your profile and choose Get YouTube Premium. Once you tap it, you'll see plan options, individual, family, or student. Read the plan details, make sure billing frequency and price are clear. If a trial is available, it shows here. Otherwise, select your preferred plan. Enter your payment info when prompted and confirm to proceed to billing authorization. Once you've initiated the flow, choose the exact plan that matches your needs. If you pick family, invite members from the family management screen and confirm addresses match region rules. For student plans, be prepared to verify enrollment through the third-party verifier. Make sure the payment method is correct. Check any taxes or discounts applied. Confirm device compatibility. YouTube Premium works across phones, tablets, and browsers when you're signed into the same Google account. After verification, accept terms and after subscribing, you should receive a confirmation email and see the premium badge on your account profile. Test core features right away. Download a video for offline play, play a video with ads blocked, and try background playback while another app is open. If something fails, first sign out and sign back in, then clear the app cache or update YouTube and restart your device. If problems persist, check payment history for failed charges and contact Google support with your subscription ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.